This project started out with laying out the wood and measuring out and marking the different lengths needed. Following the marking and measuring of the wood, I used a miter saw to cut the wood at the designated lengths. After this, using bolts and long screws, we attached the main frame, which can be seen on the right. The main frame was extremely heavy, and we had to dig 2 holes to put the legs of the main frame into the ground. It's pictured right behind me. Unfortunately, we had to take a pause on the project and begin again whenever the sun went down. Depicted here is measuring out where the branches would go that the kayaks would lay on. And here's the attachments of those branches. This is extremely difficult because each of them had to be level with another branch on the separate side of the 4x4 and had to be even with the opposite set on the other side. And this is the final product. Both kayaks are on the branches and each branch is doubled up for extra support.